Morning, guys. It is absolutely freezing this morning, -1, but we were lovely and warm on our boat. I couldn't actually quite believe how cold it was when I came outside. I can hear John's music going, so he's probably in there in his leggings and leg warmers doing his morning aerobics. Cold one today, but a beautiful morning. The sun coming through the trees there. So look at this. This is looking amazing. The middle section in there. Oh, it just finishes it off so much. The guys are all ready. They're all nice and warm in front of the fire, drinking their morning coffee. Dave looks cross between Where's Wally and that guy on Pirates of the Caribbean, or maybe the guy from Peter Pan, Captain Hook's sidekick. I can't remember what his name. Oh, Mr. Sneed or whatever his name was. Anyway, and Lee looks like a punk from 1975. His hair needs cutting. Anyway, we're up and at it, coffee in. Do we know what we're doing today, guys?
Yeah, finishing everything off.
Well, bathroom
bits we left behind.
I was just saying you look like Mr. Sneed, Dave. Was it Mr. Sneed? Captain Hook's right-hand man.
Is it?
Was it Mr. Sneed? Sneed.
Sneed.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. We're in the bathroom.
Yeah. Okay. Chuck the lights on, please.
Yeah, we were gonna do. Oh, put the light on.
Chuck the lights on.
I'm going to shoot off and get that bit of wood and maybe cardboard.
This last piece of the middle section.
Yeah.
But to finish that off, we need to go on the roof to drill through for the mushroom vent. But it's so icy up there, we can't do that.
It's too dangerous.
So we're going to leave that bit for the moment. What we're going to start on is redoing the tap, because that's angled and we need to straighten it. So,
do you want to just explain what happened
right,
there?
what happened, right, because
we did not realise.
Didn't think of it at the time, but obviously all the walls, none of the walls are straight. I mean, these bulkhead ones are, but side ones are not straight. So you've got
It's like a cheese slice. It's sort
your
of...
below gunnels go that way.
Yeah.
And your above gunnels go the other way.
Yeah.
So I'll go like that. So we put this in squared, but the wall's not squared. So what you've got the effect of is that's actually sloping downwards.
Do you want to put the tap on? Because we were ready to do it, and then put the tap on. It was like, oh.
So you can see.
He looks a bit droopy.
It'll actually. Right. It's
just droop
I'm
down.
putting it right on, but you can see I've exaggerated it, but that's what it'll be like. So what we've got to do is take that out, pack it up, and square it off, and then obviously that will sit square as it should do. So that's probably what we're going to start with. We've got once we've done that, we've got the basin to fit. We've got all the bits now. Got the skin fitting.
Yep.
Trap. Waste is already in there, so we'll set that up. All the pipe work's already done, as you saw in a previous vlog. So we're all set for that. We'll probably do the skin fittings today, as it's a nice day. We've also got to do the skin fitting for the shower.
Oh,
so
yeah.
We'll do those at the same time.
We managed to get a door, didn't we, yesterday? Which was really good. We went into Howden's to get the kitchen planned, and I asked them if they had a clearance door, and they had one exactly our size. We got that for 18 quid, so super happy with that.
We'll have that fitted as well.
Yeah. The other thing I've decided, I don't like the white of the vanity unit down here. I just don't think the works at the top pops enough, so I'm going to paint that in a deeper colour.
I think we're going with this, aren't we?
Might go for that, might go for the stiff key blue.
The whole unit.
Yeah, the whole unit, so the surface really pops out. I think that will look really nice.
Yeah. So that's yeah, I think that'll keep us busy.
And Dave's doing one of his drawings. What are you doing?
Oh yeah, he's
do the door frames, get the doors so.
Yeah. So Dave's kindly offered to measure. He's going to do a CAD drawing, aren't you, of our door openings, because we're asking MD Woodtech to make our doors for us. And he's going to do a CAD drawing so he gets the dimensions absolutely spot on. So he's just going to measure that, and he's going to do a CAD for that. He was going to make our mushroom vent trays this morning, weren't you? But his 3D printer is feeling a bit cold and doesn't want to wake up. He needs a couple of cups of coffee. So, yeah.
Minimum temperature,
Yeah, so that's not going to happen. So plenty of jobs to do. I'm going to paint over the sand on the steps that I put on yesterday. I gave it all a brush off this morning. So it's not, I'm quite pleased with it actually. It's not too sort of in the face. So I'm just going to put a coat of paint over there and see what it looks like, but hopefully it won't sort of stand out too much. So quite pleased with those. So anyway, we'll keep you updated with our progress today. Okay, so I've just put a coat of paint over the sanded steps, and I'm really pleased because you really sort of can't notice it too much. So I'm really pleased with how it looks. So anyway, that looks quite good there. So I'm just gonna wait for that to dry and then see how it comes out. But that will probably do the trick, so we don't slip coming down steps. The mushroom vent in the bathroom, the lads are going to fit an extractor fan in there for obviously trying to get rid of some of the steam from the shower, which they're about to do at the moment.
That's going to go in like that, I reckon. Yeah, right. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll cut that one to go in the hole, and then we'll heat it up.
Yeah.
Just around there and around there. We'll push that on, and then they'll give us 2 lines there.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And that's enough, I think, to hold it in.
Yeah.
But the other thing we've got to do as well is we need to cut a slot or drill a hole. Drill a hole wherever that's going to come, because don't want to trap them wires, yeah? Because the vibration of the fan and that tight into the plastic like that, it will cut it, yeah. All right?
Yeah. Okay, this end.
Alright.
I've moved it away from
That's good, yeah, that's brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you. There we're in. I think I'm going to have to cut that in there. We'll probably end up having to take that down, push this in, and then push that back up. Because you can't get it through there, like, you know. Pain in the ass, that.
Yeah.
I did say about putting in a 4-inch. If you go up your end, yeah, that's him. Right.
Is that a little bit this side? Yeah, that's it. Yep, that's
Right.
That's that.
Put a bit of silicone and silicone seal them up to the vents, like, you know. That's
A little bit there. That's it.
That'll do. Right, okay, let's get that out. We've got to do get them on that pipe first. Wherever it might be. Where's he? There.
Come too far down.
That's all right, don't worry about that. We're going to get this pipe in first. That's the main thing. Yeah, no, he's not having it. Right, okay. Put your end down, put my end up. No, right, okay.
They've gone well. It's all gone well.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that. Well done.
Oh,
You know what? I
you fit that one 10 times over.
I turn this round.
Oh, is that what you've done?
Yeah.
Ah, right, you're cheating then. Got him there?
No, hang on. I've got to turn round. There.
Right, hold him there. Trouble is, this ain't in right, is it? There. Right. Look at that. Now we're miles out of line there, aren't we? Yeah, a little bit out there. Might have to take a bit more foam out. What I'll do is I'll put that in there for now. That in there for now. Like that. Here's my bit of wood. There's a bit of wood. I'm going to have to take them out. Don't want to stretch it and break it. Right then, mate. That's it. That comes across there, like that. Right. That's a bit right there. Push them back up onto there. That's it. Right. Is he in place, sir?
Yeah.
Where did my black thing go?
What black? Yeah.
Right.
What, right at the end or just these ones?
Just two there, yeah.
Alright.
Not load that there. That's there. Now I need that one there. Oh, you bugger. You have to take him down here. However it goes. So that goes like that. Got it, yeah.
On the pipe.
Yeah, don't worry about the pipes. Well, not all of it, just like that. That's it. You've got one side, I've got the other somewhere.
There you go.
Where's the other side? There's the other side there. Take this, pull that out like that. Pull that right in there like that. That covers it all over, doesn't it? Yeah. Right, that's that one there. That goes up there. Back the screws back in.
This looks like one of those gangster movies when they start sheeting up the room.
Go and get John, will you?
Yeah.
You got the acid?
Okay.
Break him down.
You alright?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, goes the spray foam.
Right. That's all nice there. That's gone up through the plastic. That's good there. Right. Pull that one out. Up through the plastic. That's good there. Why can you not grab all the plastic? There's it, see? That's it there. You've got that knob. There you go. Yeah.
Lovely.
That'll seal that one in there perfectly.
Yeah.
So we're going to leave that to go off.
Yeah.
Okay, so the we've decided to finish off the spray foaming in this vlog, so we'll do the tap on the next vlog. We've noticed that the tongue and groove down the bottom underneath the gunnels is now wavy. I think it's all to do with when we put the battening up, we went downwards. Apparently we should have gone acrossways. So basically what they're going to do now is pull the boards out. So I'll leave. Do you want to just explain how you're going to do this, Dave?
Yeah, just looking at see where the centre lines are. So you've got a centre line from there to there. Right, this is all springy, so we're going to use a system, a bodge up system.
Yeah, all your centres will be
Yeah.
the line.
Yeah. So what I'll do is, I get the screw. I'll do the screw a bit higher. No, not long enough. Didn't think it would be.
Need a longer screw.
I'll go and have to go and get my. Yeah, start punching the walls. He said so they all got to be stripped out and dry lined.
Oh, nice little job.
Well, we went and had a look at it. We've done the first one, I think it was. Done it. Then we looked at that one. We ripped out. It's beautiful boarding. Nothing wrong with the boarding. And
Yeah, that's better.
yeah. And
Want to just explain what's happening, Lee?
Well, I don't mind that anyway, Dave, because we can. Right, so with these wonky boards, Dave's just used some spray foam to bring one out, but this weather, it's going to take quite a while to go off. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to put a batten just above the pipes all the way along, screw that in, and that will pull it all back out.
Back in straight.
Yeah, and then that'll be lost. You won't see the batten anyway because we'll have the boxing in the skirt, if you like. So I think we're going to do that.
Okay.
So I'll leave it at that.
Okay,
Right.
well, thank you all for watching. Sorry we didn't get round to doing the tap, but I'm sure that will be on our next vlog.
Time for lunch.
It's time for lunch. I hope you enjoyed our vlog today, the spray foaming, and if you do, please consider liking and subscribing, and we will see you next time. Bye for now. Hi guys, and welcome back. So we finished the spray foaming now, and we're going to do in this vlog, which we said we were going to do in the last vlog, but we didn't do. So we explained in the last vlog, because of the above the gunnels, this part goes in. We've got a problem with the tap sort of drooping down. So I think, what are you going to do? Are you going to pack it out, did you say?
you said the tap's drooping down. Drooping down, yeah. So we're going to get some Viagra and rub it just in.
Oh, stop it. So
now what we're going to do is I'm going to loosen off the screws here. And loosen off a screw there and try and tip him up and pack him in behind with a couple of washers in the back there.
Yeah.
To lift that up. And then what I'm going to do is, because this is on an angle and we need to bring this the plate out square. This plate's got to go 90 degrees to this rather than on the angle of the wall, because the wall's like this. Right?
Yeah.
So we need to bring the plate out that. So I'm going to put a picture frame all the way around there.
Yep.
Make it thicker at the bottom than it is at the top, so as it's 90 degrees to the worktop.
Yep.
Okay. And then that will put everything looking wise right. If not, if we do it like that, it's just going to look like it's all on the skew.
Yeah. So
we'll lift that up, push that back, and then bring the plate out, and I'll bring the framework out to line up with that.
Okay.
So then the black plate will come up here and it'll go in like that. And do it.
Good. Sounds good.
Use the top ones here because I think they were just about holding on, weren't they?
Well, I've got some 30 mil. Will they be too long?
Oh, I'm not sure where they are.
So put your glass on and you can see.
That way. Yeah, but only at the bottom, not at the top. So yeah, that's a better fixing. I'm not going to tighten it right up. that one there may be okay. I can put a longer one in there as well. And then the bottom one comes out and we prop him out. So you probably have one washer on there.
Yeah.
Maybe two, and 3 or 4 washers on there, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna undo that one. We'll see what we can do here.
I'll find some more then. Hold on.
Yeah, well that's better, yeah, that'll do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you got an ordinary screwdriver there, Lee?
An ordinary screwdriver?
Yeah.
How do you mean?
Well, just need to put an ordinary screwdriver in there just to prise him out. Yeah. So what I need to do is...
Do you want me to hold that?
I do him like that. That'll do it. Right. If you come round here, Lee.
Yeah.
Right. Now I've got to get this in there like that. Push them back there. Right, just prise him out a bit more, Lee, if you can. Got to get him in there if I can. So undo that a little bit. Oh, that came out then, didn't it?
Yeah.
That's him there. The beauties of a narrowboat, eh?
Mm.
Yeah, that's gone. Ooh, I don't put down here. Let's see if that tips him up.
Yeah, it's going
Yeah.
up.
Do you want me to take
How's
this out?
that? Yeah, take him out there.
Probably a little bit more.
Oh, there he is there. Let's get this one in there. I want one washer in there. I can do that.
You're pretty good at problem solving, aren't you,
Me?
Dave? Yeah.
Well, I've been a problem for a long time.
No one's ever solved you, though.
Yeah, it goes in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's different.
That better?
Yeah, looks it.
Yeah, what a difference.
Yeah. It's good.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's got him. That's good there. Have we got a steel plate
Yeah, I'll get the steel
kicking
plate.
about? So I want that, and then that's got to come out like that. So I can get away with
Do you want that on?
2 bits of that. Drop it on there. See what it looks like. It might need trimming around the edges, obviously. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like that. 2 bits at the top, 2 bits at the bottom, or 1 bit at the top, 2 bits at the bottom.
Yes.
Got me? Yeah. 45 that'll come into there.
Yeah.
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 So that'll do that, won't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good.
So you'll have that there. That'll come out there.
Is that?
So
We'll have to stain and varnish it first before it goes on, won't we?
Do we need to?
Alright, it needs a 45 that, then cut that out there, make a frame to go on there, so that'll be 2 bits, isn't it? One like that and that.
Yeah.
Yep. So I think that'll probably do it. I don't think we'll have to put a bit in the side, because I think them two will join together, won't they? Right, let's go and have a quick look. there. Good. There's one bit there. Just a little bit. I'm not going to see that from the bottom. No, so that'll go like that. That'll do that. Use that bit at the top. That like that. Two bits like that. But so that's going to go in, and that's going to go. I'll try and see if the 2 does it. Well, I think the 2 will do it. So that's how it will go, like that. And I think that's pretty much. Have a look at that. See if you think that's levelish. Might need to skim a bit off of that one there. Yeah. Mind you, when that's out like that and that's up like level, rather than being king about that.
Yeah, I would say, look, let me hold it, you have a look, but I would say yes. If you go there, look, you'll see.
So I think we're going to end up using that there then, really. Mind you, that's quite a bit there, isn't it? Oh, hang on. Oh, that's about right, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll tell you what, that's not far off at all.
So I think we're going to have to go with that, mate. Right, okay, no problem. That 45 it in a square. Right?
Yeah.
45 it in a square. Build the square. Fix it on the corners or from here and there.
Yeah,
somehow.
I think with that, as you say, once you put that on there, I think that's going to be about right.
Mm.
Push it in there, Lee.
Well, I don't know to, just in case it gets stuck, but
You shouldn't get stuck. That's him. Yeah, that sits in there. Yeah, that'll do us.
Mm.
And actually, that down there is going to have to be wider, isn't it?
At the bottom.
Yeah, that's narrower there than it is there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll probably end up using that at the bottom and that at the top.
Well, we could always use a little packer if we need to.
Well, I've got the planer next door. If we make it all flush at the back, and then we can plane it off to suit what we need at the front.
Okay.
The top. Right then, here we go.
I'll hold this bit.
Where's that plate?
Okay.
Hey. So that's that bit there. It's a good finish at the top. That goes like that. And then we turn it around the other way.
You got a bit of a cold, Dave?
Yeah, I've got a bloody cold for ages. way. Yeah, it's the trouble with having kids going to a nursery, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Plus, I don't have none of them flu shots things. They sent me a letter saying, "Oh, you qualify for a flu shot." I thought, oh, yeah.
Yeah, we used to, we don't now.
Well, I
Too
think
many injections.
it gives you bloody sort of.
Do you need to pull it out?
It's 45 there, so it is marked right. It's just it's weird to. Right. That goes like that, that goes like that. That's going to be good there. Yeah, happy with that. Stick that one like that. Not a scratchy side, do we? So that.
Ooh, beep.
That is going to be planed, isn't it? It's actually going to be planed off, right, isn't it? It's going to be planed off down to there, isn't it? Or up to there, isn't it? Planed from here up to there. Yeah, that's alright then. We'll get rid of that, so that's alright. That one. That and that. That all gets fixed to there, like that. And we stick one on the bottom. One.
For fitting it.
All got to be flush to the bottom, to the back.
It's
Into a place then, or put some brackets around it or something. Whack it down, and I'll get my planer, and we'll plane it off to the angle of the this here. Instead of that being like that, it's got to be like that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So that's what we're looking at. I'm going to plane this down that way in line with that. That's going to go like that. So that's going to be the top, that's going to be the bottom, like that, right? And then this bottom bit, I'm going to plane this down. That's the top, that's the bottom. And that will stick in there, like that. And that should give us then the angle to be in line, roughly. Probably a little bit more, I reckon. Yeah, I need a little bit more. That'll bring, we need that parallel with that, don't we? No, we need that parallel to the base, not the wall. So that'll go something like that. That's parallel to the base, I think. So, yeah, fair bit of plane.
Am I getting the blame for this, Dave?
Yes. You chose a tap. Most self-respecting carpenters will tell you to stop. Yeah, we plane. It's big at the top, at the bottom. That's it. So that's how we plane it. That's good. Right. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That's it. 4. Pat roach. No pat roach. The Albeda's happy pet.
Yeah.
Especially with this fucking screwdriver a bit. Nah, he's not gonna have it. Yeah, he's a bit, they said, we want to go to run. Oh, I thought I better not. The worst thing you want to do is turn just round the corner. Is absolutely brilliant. So you can see that's typical nightclub. All painted black. Bit like this boat, really.
Well, when we got our mood lighting.
Yeah. Right. That goes to the bottom. That goes there. That's right. I try to keep the minimum screws. I've got one on top there, so that one is gonna have to be sorted.
Surprising.
That's quite a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, it just shows you, doesn't it?
To get that out.
Yeah, to get that angle. Yeah.
Oh.
Go.
Look at that.
Amazing.
Let's go
Let's
and
go
have
and
a look.
check.
Let's see what we got.
Oh, our very own letterbox.
That right here, where to play on there. Might have to come out and. Oh no, he's. Oh shit, what's happening there?
God.
He's always playing games, isn't he?
You're a proper old wag, Dave.
Yeah, I'll do this.
Yeah.
That's
Lovely.
up, yeah.
Look at that.
That's it, isn't it?
That's perfect.
I think times we get some double-sided tape in behind here to stick that on, that's going to be spot on.
Bloody side tape.
Yeah, we got to stick it to there, and we don't want to glue it on with sticks, like, because if you ever got to get this off to get that tap off,
Oh, right, yeah.
it'd be a
I
nightmare.
thought you was joking.
No. Like,
Some nerve endings.
yeah, I've got to go up on the 29th of this month for.
It's all been stained now, so it just needs varnishing. But Dave wants to put some holes in it first, don't you?
Need some pen, pencil. No, it's the wrong way around. No, it's right, isn't it? No, it's not right.
He doesn't know which way it goes on. That's it.
That's it.
That looks lovely.
Yeah, that's better.
It's going to look better once it's varnished, actually.
Yeah.
Put a sheen on it.
On there. There.
He had the scampi last night, didn't he? So Dave's just putting double-sided sticky tape on, is it?
Yeah. Start printing yours this morning, but it was so bloody cold.
Oh, look. Yeah, it looks good.
That's that sticks on. Let me get rid of that.
That looks good.
Lovely.
Yeah, that's that one. Your what's the name?
Hmm?
Probably the same one that you use for your
Yeah.
thingamajig.
Yeah.
Oh, that's going.
Oh, yeah.
It's alright, isn't it?
Lovely.
Oh, look at that. That's nice, doesn't it?
I think it looks better with the wood than without the wood.
Yeah, it does actually.
Showery, but then 90% of that is, isn't it? Fur coat, no knickers.
Oh,
I don't know. That in a waterfall taps. Brilliant.
so that's it. Look, all done. And I actually prefer it with the wood on to when it didn't have the wood on.
And when it's painted, it will look.
No, we're not going to paint it.
No, when you paint.
Oh, yeah,
this.
paint the back of it. Yeah, I thought you meant the wood. Well, that's great. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And if you did,
Hang on
please
a minute,
consider
wait a minute,
liking and
wait a minute.
subscribing. And Dave's telling me to wait because... Oh, you're getting the basin. Oh, look. Yes. The finishing touches.
isn't
That's going to look amazing.
Got loads of play, haven't we? So,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah. What's it look like from standing back?
Very nice. But that cupboard definitely needs to be a different colour down below. Yeah. Very nice indeed.
Happy with that?
Very happy. Thank you, Dave.
There you go.
So, we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.